Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise of the poem and the name of the poem is Trees Are Lovely. Understanding the poem, answer the following question. First question is what colors are trees? Can you think of more? Answer of this question is in the poem trees are brown and green. Trees can have yellow and red leaves. Some trees have a silvery bark. Some trees have purple, blue, and red flowers. Next question is what are some parts of trees? Can you think of more? Answer of this question is the parts of the trees mentioned in the poem are trunks, stems, leaves, flowers and branches. Some other parts of trees are the roots, bark, nuts, seeds and fruit. Third question is how are trees useful to children? The trees give shade to the children in the sun. They provide shelter during rain. Children also use them for playing games. Fourth question is in what other ways are trees useful? Talk about this in class. The trees are useful in the following ways. They keep us dry in showers. They give us shade from the sun. They are home to many creatures, including birds. They clean the air and provide oxygen. They bring down the temperature. They keep the soil intact. They provide us with fruit. They provide us with wood, which is used as fuel and building material. Next question is these are all parts of a tree, but the letters are jumbled. What are the parts? N-T-U-N, nuts. F-E-A-L, L-E-A-F, leaf. B-R-A-K, B-A-R-K, bark. C-H-A-R-N-B, B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. M-E-T-S-S-T-E-M, stem. Next one is make the following statements true by adding not or no. You will have to change or add some other words too. Cats have two tails. Cats do not have two tails. Goats like eating meat. Goats do not like eating meat. When there are stars in the sky, it is daytime. When there are no stars in the sky, it is daytime. A boat with holes in it floats. A boat with holes in it does not float. Listening and speaking, say it aloud. Hey, diddle, diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. इसमें क्या है? Try to finish the nursery rhyme above. 2 lines are missing. Then say it clearly a few times. The little dog laughed to see such a fun, and the dish ran away with spoon. Next हमारे पास composition है. Talk about the words below. Write your own story. Hussein was a small child. He often went with his father to catch the fish. He liked fishing very much. Hussein's father had bought him a small boat. One day his father was very busy. He took his small boat and went to the river. The river was very wide and had a strong flow. Hussein played in the water for some time. When he was returning, strong wind blew the boat away. Hussein fell into the river and began screaming. Luckily, a man at the bank of the river was seeing this. He started shouting for help. Many expert swimmers dived into the river and saved Hussein.